Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best tools for auto trim puller set. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best tools for auto trim puller set. For smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. When working on a car interior, an auto trim puller set is an indispensable tool for safely removing trim pieces, door panels, and other delicate components without causing damage. These sets typically include a range of tools designed to handle various trim materials, including plastic, vinyl, and metal. Look for trim puller sets made from high-quality nylon or plastic, which are tough enough to handle the pressure but gentle on surfaces to avoid scratches or damage. A good set includes multiple tools such as pry bars, panel removers, and plastic scrapers in different shapes and sizes to reach hard-to-get areas and handle a wide range of trim removal tasks. Choose a set with ergonomically designed handles to make prolonged use more comfortable. This is especially important if you're working on a large project or restoring multiple vehicles. The best trim pullers are designed to minimize the force required for removal, ensuring a hassle-free experience without damaging clips or fasteners. Many sets come with a handy carrying case, which keeps all the tools organized and easily accessible, reducing the risk of misplacement. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, investing in a high-quality auto trim puller set will ensure your interior projects are smooth and safe. Thanks for watching the video.